Good try, Kuya. You wanna get down? Ready? Hindi maayos yung harness niya. Kaya, go there please. Hindi maayos yung harness niya. Nasasakal siya, oh.
Wala talaga. Maliit.
No, ano, nasasakal siya. Okay, let's get down.
You will go down. You will go down.
Okay. You're gonna climb or you wanna get down? Okay. Let's go down.
Karipis naman balong.
Guys, go down.
It's my turn!
Okay. Good job, Kuna! Ayusin natin. You wanna climb some more? Let Daddy fix your harness first.
Mami, ganun talaga.
Nasasakal siya kanina eh. Maybe you should...
Ito, nilawagan ko lang konti. Yan.
Okay. Try again.
Wait.